Welcome back to QuantPower, everyone. Today, I'll be sharing a straightforward trend-following system using TradingView. To get started, log into your QuantPower account and navigate to Signal Trading. Make sure you have a TradingView Pro account for this demonstration. This strategy is based on Supertrend along and pivot points. When both are in sync, our trading signal will get generated. But here's the best part. We've done all the heavy lifting for you. Our team has meticulously coded this strategy to streamline your trading experience, making it as simple and intuitive as possible. For this demo, we'll focus on option buying. Add a call buy, select the number of lots, and give your bot a name. Then, select your broker and trade type before clicking on Save. Next, select your newly created option, click Next, and give it a name. Now, head over to TradingView. In the Pine editor, you'll find the code for our strategy. You can find the code in the description of this video. Simply copy and paste the code into the Pine editor and click Add to Chart. Your strategy will now appear on the charts. For this demonstration, we are using a 1-minute chart, but feel free to test it on various time frames. Next, let's set up alerts. Click on Alert, select the strategy, and choose the buy signal. Opt for once per bar close, and give your alert a name. Provide the entry webhook URL and click Save. Then, click Next. Now, let's create an exit for this entry. Follow the same process, giving your exit a name and pasting the exit link. Click Submit. So far, we've set up entry and exit alerts for buying signals. Now, let's do the same for selling signals. Add a put buy, select the lots. Give your bot a name. Choose your broker and trade type before saving. Then, select your new option, click Next, and give it a name. Copy the entry link and select Sell Signal, as we want to buy a put when a sell signal is generated. Choose once per bar close and provide a name. Paste the entry URL. Now, let's complete our exit settings for the put side. And here you can see we already got a buying signal. Copy the exit URL. Set the criteria as shown. And paste the exit link. Click Submit. Your strategy is now live. As you can see, we are already entered into a buying side trade. And there you have it, a simple trend following strategy. Check out the description section for the code. If you found this strategy helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel and visit our website for more insights. Thank you for watching and happy trading.